In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notion Icon Database. To get started, open Notion and go to your new database page. This is where you will be able to add and manage icons so your pages and entries are easier to scan and navigate. Icons are a small detail, but they make a big difference when you are working with lots of items inside a database. Once you are on the database page, click on the highlighted area near the top of the page where the icon and title controls appear. In Notion, this is the spot that gives you quick access to page styling options, including the icon picker. You can use icons on a database itself, and you can also use icons on individual pages inside the database, which helps each entry stand out visually. Next, click on Icons. This opens the icon menu, where Notion lets you choose from several options. You can use Notion's built-in icon library if you want a clean, consistent look across your workspace. You can also use emojis for a simple, familiar style that is fast to apply and easy to recognize. When you are choosing icons, try to stay consistent with a theme, like using similar shapes or categories, because consistency makes your database feel organized. From here, click on Upload if you want to use your own custom icon image. This is useful for brand logos, custom graphics, or a specific aesthetic that is not available in the native library. For best results, use a clear, square image with enough resolution to stay sharp. Small, simple designs tend to look best at icon size, so avoid images with tiny text or too much detail. If you prefer a quicker option, click on Emoji. This opens the emoji selection so you can pick one that matches the purpose of the page or database. Emojis are especially helpful for quick visual labeling, and you can also use them to color code sections by choosing emojis with distinct colors. After you select or upload your icon, it will apply immediately. Use this same process whenever you want to update an icon later, and keep your database easy to navigate. That covers everything you need to know.